so mame ma akwa emra Adom TV. Jumadi we Nkuranhyesem. Na so for apostle ni tekotego na mtejo ma be jumadi o chiame. Mame na ase. Ene so meka sunsumumra ya yedi so a ma yetumpon. Spiritual laws for a great life. There are laws. Ghana, your constitution, your criminal law, your civil law. Emra bebre. Na ubusu a ho kyerɛw. Saa so na wo sunsumu mra ubusu a ho kyerɛw. Na emra etoso mienu the law of intention or the law of idea creation. Okay? Whatever you are required to do, you have to have an intention. An intention is a well-informed statement that describes the outcome you want to have when you take action. Intentions are well-informed statements that describes the outcome of what you want to have when you take action. You can't intention. Eyen susuye. Ya obe susu. Afa ni aisa woyo na empo wetwa duaba papa. Enti you can't intention. Intention ye duaba. Intention eyen susuye. Intention ene se enyo ma be susu abrabo mu. Papa bi no can say if you have it on your mind, you can have it in your life. Say owadwin mu nko ade a ebeda di abrabo. If you have it on your mind, you can have it in your life. And if you don't know where you want to go, you may end up taking any road that will take you to the wrong destination. This is nim ni awo yo a. Won susu na awo yo a. Untimi nyo. Abraba ye be dia be ye bia papa oboni o ususu ho. Me de mesere se, ma susu ye nya susu ya papa. Ma susu ye nya susu ya e Kenya wankasa. Ma susu ye susu ya e gina wodo no kura ni pepepe yo so. Let your intentions be disciplined intentions. Let your intentions be crowded by love. Let your intentions be grounded in good intents. If you hold on to a behavior that shows an inability or unwillingness to make big decisions in life, you will not go far. So timopo bonia anamuntuo anamuntuo boni. And now make us say, we should be anim. The audio no hono, she na nimbi odisio. Utimopo and a better what teddy actually will be. Utimopo and a better what the actually will be. Utimopo nebe Kenya sabi or yaudie, I will have or abrabum. And our Timopo so be Kenya energy. Timopo hiya papa. And the intention, abrabomu and brabakwan, so ye. Without intention, you can never make changes in your life. Your life will become like waiting in destiny's bus stop. Without good intentions, you can never make changes in your life. Your life will become something like waiting at destiny bus stops. So one fatty papa. Now, because I would have a beer, would you want to munchu abrabum? Now, there be other, now would you parking gear or brabo ejina fako. Without intention, you cannot have changes. So we need to papa. So can't remember abrabum. Baby abrabo enkoye. Baby abrabo ohia na awere wato wono. E wotimupo. Ohia timupo e do ohia nanam. Wo bretimupo e do obrenanam. Gugu timupo e do gugu nanam. Timupo papa e de nsampa nanam. Papa ye boy ya na enkoye. Ya na akwaside wo mu. Ya na nyom betimi asiu kwan. Ya na adeso aso. Na so we nyina akire no. Timupo abefa e wo nyom ato wo ho no. And I don't baby oko. Think about what you intend to have. Think about where you want to go. Think about how you want your life and your relationship to look like. Think about what you want to do at work. And that intention will create the energy to do what you want to do. Intentions are the energy stimulators. Nipa utimopo ene Kenya woneye. And the minim timopo ekura wo. Na mesere say Motimo po enyina de ehu twa so. Motimo po enyina ne ya odo so. Motimo po enya ne obeye wi amafo bebo ose abehwe wo. Motimo po enyina sebe de pepepe yo so. Motimo po enyina ne esefata so. Motimo po enyina ho hyeso so. Motimo po enyina ne ye enegye. ɛna de di mu so na sɛ ma wo ye wo ti mu po a kwambia ni wo abrabɔ ɛbɛto chima kwambia so de asai po abrabɔ mu no benya aduro na ɛsɔre agina ti mu po papa ɛde abrabɔ papa na nam mekan wo se mo ti mu po ma ya nso enkoyie ya na ti mu po nyina so no ɛyɛ ade enda so ni so peti mu po a ye gidie nyina so what I say peti mu po a ye gidie nyina so na gi wo di sɛ ne awo dwuna no bɛbɛ mu ama wo onipa bibia nsi akwa mu a sɛbe ne nyina so enye ti mu po de meka ne sɛ emre bi wo ha bedi so ahwɛ mra ye ti mu po mra na di so na abrabɔ enkoyie na bibia no abɛyɛ a sɛbe wo fiti preko pɛyo ne nyina so ye ti mu po. Your intentions and ideas create your destinations. Be careful those you join hands with. Be careful the intentions you encourage in your mind. And be careful about the ideas you create, for they will drive you towards the road of despair or the road of wellness. Utimupo and a beguru amawo. Utimupo nebe shirawo na de Nkuranhyesem wo. Abrabo ayebo enyanya me somni bibia titiri bia etimupo. Wo timupo papa. Abrabo nya den. Wo timupo papa. Abrabo koyie. Woni ayebre na yebre etimupo a wo ene obra wo bre. Ufatimupo a ekenya wo. Ufatimupo a ne nyina so ye nokuredie. Ufatimupo a ne nyina so ye wodo. Pepepe yo. Ene ahohyeso ende edimu ende esefata. Na otimupo ye se obeka nsempa kire obi a. Abrabo nsusanso e nsempa. Abusua ma menya hai. Na mensere se efi nne da kwai se timpo bia ba abrabo me yesu kare na hwe se se timpo we ene me hin na de meko etimpo papa na timpo a ya bo mfiayo etimpo a ema excuse timpo a etunu ma sheda timpo a ekenya ame na empo usoso timpo wi a na tu ana muntuo na abrabo nwanso etimpo a eta ba wotim we na meja wo na mede nkrama wo ha na makoda Adom TV adwuma kofo nyina ase efi Babs ajawa be Kampedu Richmond Mark Weber Priscilla na Thomas ojan camera chi sound for any adwuma ni bia wo boy adwuma die ba ho bia no onyame enhyira wo ma otimo po emira mu kwampa so wa onyame hwe me de me do onyame eja